Introducing Alangas ficus heteropoda of the family Moraceae. Alangas is a tropical tree that can grow to a height of 10 to 15 meters. Its growth pattern typically involves a single trunk from which multiple branches spread outwards, forming a dense canopy. The plant is recognized for its broad, glossy leaves which can vary in shape and size, typically measuring between 10 and 20 centimeters in length. The leaves are arranged alternately and may exhibit a distinctive shape, contributing to the plant's ornamental value. This species plays a crucial role in its ecosystem by providing food and habitat for a variety of wildlife species. Its fruits attract birds and other animals, aiding in seed dispersal, which is essential for maintaining biodiversity in its native habitats. Alangas is used as an ornamental plant and is often grown in gardens for its attractive foliage. The leaves are used in traditional medicine to treat various ailments, including fever, headache, and stomach ache.